For the past few weeks, naglalaro ako ng masinsinan dito using the Infinix Note 30 VIP na BMW edition. And I know na ang dami sa inyo thinking of buying this unit. Gusto nyo malaman kung kamusta naman kanyang gaming performance, kamusta naman kanyang hitting dito sa phone na ito, and a lot more. So in this video, pag-uusapan natin all about yung performance ng gaming dito sa Infinix Note 30 VIP. Okay nga ba siya for gaming? Tara, samahan niyo ako. Pag-uusapan natin in this video. One of the games na nilalaro ko dito sa phone na ito is Genshin Impact. So sinagad-sagad natin ang kanyang graphics dito. So makita mo yung render resolution niya, nilagay natin sa medium. Nilagay natin yung all the other settings sa high, and frame rate niya nilagay natin sa 60. So I've been playing this for the past 1 hour and a half. And I would say na pretty okay naman siya. Wala namang nafe-feel masyado na frame drops dito along the way. And playing this game for 1 hour and a half, I do feel na nagwa-warm up talaga siya sa likod. So, siguro yung cooling system niya medyo might need some improvement. But of course, I would say na it's always good to have yung liquid cooler on hand. Now, in case na you don't have one, basta maglaro ka lang naman na hindi on a very hot na environment, I think pretty much kaya naman niya to give you a good gaming experience. Now, sabay-sabay natin ilalaban ng mga kalaban, so, kita natin, there's a lot of them here. So, sabay-sabay natin sila upakan, So, kita natin, hindi naman siya nagsuslow down. Normally kasi pag mga ibang phones, pag ganun karami na yung kalaban, there's a tendency talaga na magsuslow down talaga yung mapapansin mo na yung lag and yung frame drops niya. So, but this one, it was able to handle it properly naman. And to my surprise, well, actually, hindi naman surprise na it was able to handle it kasi 8050 naman, kaya naman mag-handle ng mga games. So, siguro not to the point na yung sobrang heavy na graphics kasi binaba naman natin sa medium yung graphics niya. But all of the other one, nilagay naman natin sa high. So, for Genshin Impact, gusto na natin makita yung kanyang heat, So, I've been playing for 1 hour and a half. So, actually, we bought along itong Mansi na thermal imager, TR256i, to check, kung gaano kainit yung phone na ito using a thermal scanning, So, medyo high-tech na rin tayo ngayon. So, kinabit ko to sa aking phone, and this is how it looks like, yung kanyang thermal scanner. It's just a attachment, small little attachment, just to check, kung kamusta namang init ito phone na ito, And based on dito sa image na nakuha natin, okay, so we will see na around 47 degrees Celsius dito sa my camera module. Okay? Probably that's one of the hottest point na nakita ko. Yung pinakamainit na dito is 47.4 degrees Celsius after playing for an hour, more than an hour, So on the other parts naman dito, makita mo, it's playing at around 41 to 40 degrees Celsius. But ang pinakamainit na talaga dito is mapapansin ko, kahit ako nahawakan ko dito sa may camera modules, medyo mas mainit talaga siya. So, yeah, that's the hottest that this one has achieved. So, like I said, pwede nyo naman mabilis na i-cool down to using a cooler. So, nakita natin sa image scanner, this is somewhere na the hottest point itong area na ito, On this area, hindi naman gano'n, 40 to 41 Celsius. But this one talaga mafe-feel mo init when you're playing more than an hour sa Genshin Impact. And I would suggest na bumili ka ng ganito, FlyDG, the B6, to cool everything down a lot faster than ever. Kakabit na lang ito sa likod. And of course, the rest is siya na bahala gumawa, Papalamigin na ako sa phone mo, just like this. And may RGB siya, Pag once na nakakabit to, may ilaw siya. it's definitely going to be fun. So ganito ang magiging itsura niya. If you can actually power up your phone, gamit yung phone, no, mag-draw ka ng power dito para mas, wala ka na ibang external source, or pwede may kabit sa yung power bank or your charging brick, depende sa inyo, no. But I would suggest na you can get power straight from your phone. Yung alam, medyo mas na-drain kundi yung battery. Now, nilaro din naman natin si Call of Duty Mobile. This is the best graphical settings sa kaya natin i-set dito sa kanya. So, setting everything to high, sa sagad na kaya nitong phone na ito, okay naman ang gameplay ko with Call of Duty Mobile. Now, I would say na I played mga rank match and VR matches dito, and it was going on smoothly naman. And wala mo naging problema. The controls is fast and very responsive naman ang screen. And yeah, definitely mag-enjoy ka naman talaga dito sa Call of Duty Mobile, especially if you're the type of gusto nyo yung shooting games, no? This is one of my favorite games talaga to test, talaga si COD, no? So, yan, kita nyo yung guys, yung gameplay niya is quite smooth and wala nang nakikita mong problema dito. And nakita nyo guys, yung gameplay natin dito is quite smooth. I have no problem dito sa kanya. It's really living up to my expectation tong Call of Duty Mobile. And I would say na yung gameplay niya is definitely one of the better ones na try ko on any smartphones. So ngayon, nilaro din naman natin ang Tower Fantasy. Itong game na ito is almost similar kay Genshin Impact. So this is the setting na ginawa natin. Sinagad-sagad din natin, no? So, let's see. Kamusta naman ka ng gameplay? Now, if you're looking at this gameplay, I've been playing this game for almost 30 minutes na rin. And mapapansin mo dito sa kanya is there are times na pag tumatakbo, medyo pigil siya konti, no? So, it's not super duper 100% na sobrang smooth ang ang gameplay niya kasi sinagad natin ang kanyang graphics. Now, in order to be able to play this a little bit more smoothly, you might need to lower down a little bit yung kanyang settings. So, based on my experience naman dito, lalo na kung medyo maraming kalaban nagkasabay-sabay na dito sa battlefield, no? Mapapansin mo talaga medyo magiging sluggish siya ng konti. But overall, based sa aking experience, nung binaba ko konti ang kanyang graphical settings, it was a little bit better. But nung pag sinagad mo siya ng gusto, mapapansin mo talaga na medyo mahihirapan ka. Mapapansin mo, very evident yung mga frame drops sa dito, no? And mapapansin mo, no, pag nakasagad yung graphics, pag nagda-dash ka, mapapansin mo na talagang pigil siya. Kaya guys, so makikita nyo, no, kung medyo nagkasabay-sabay ng mga kalaban sa battlefield, yan, medyo mapapansin mo medyo a little bit sluggish na siya, no? So, nung chinecheck natin dito sa MILC na thermal imager natin, no, so I would say na it reached a high of 49 degrees Celsius din, somewhere din dito sa mga camera module, no? But if you're looking dito sa katawan niya, nasa 42 degrees Celsius, but yeah, medyo noticeable din ang kanyang init dito pagdating sa, sa camera module, pag once naka all high settings sa dito sa Tower of Fantasy. So, right now naman, try natin isagad din dito sa Firelight 84 and we'll see kung kamusta naman kanyang game, no? Dito, yung gameplay niya, kung would it be smooth. So far naman, ang gameplay ko dito was quite smooth naman. And we'll see na nung nagbabakbakan naman, hindi naman siya naglalag, no? Even though nasinagad na natin ang kanyang graphical settings to all high. And it was able to perform naman. And the controls naman is very smooth. Wala akong napansin na lag dito sa kanya as far as I'm concerned. And during heavy battles naman, kaya naman na mag-stand up sa, sa expectation natin dito sa Firelight 84. Now guys, pagdating naman dito sa Mobile Legends, this is the maximum graphical settings na pwede natin i-set. So sinagad naman natin ang graphics natin dito sa Mobile Legend. And so far, after one whole game, smooth naman siya. Wala naman napansin naman ang frame drops dito and it was really running smoothly. And what I can say is that I didn't encounter any problem naman dito sa kanya. And it's really a breeze playing this game, no? Siguro, One thing na napapansin ko sa kanya is parang nagsiskip siya. There's on some certain point na biglang nagsiskip yung character ko. But overall, the gameplay was okay. Wala mo napansin masyadong na problems kanya except that yung alam na papansin ko parang nagsiskip siya ng frames, no? But siguro kailangan mo lang i-lower down yung frame rate niya instead na super, no? Baba mo ng one step lower might help smoothen yung game. So guys, ano masasabi natin dito sa Infinix Note 30 VIP? So after playing all of those game titles na pinakita ko sa inyo, the gameplay was okay. No, so what I did is sa Genshin Impact, hindi natin sobrang sinagad, nilagay natin sa medium, and the gameplay was quite smooth. But on the contrary, si Tower of Fantasy naman, sinagad-sagad natin na gusto, doon natin na feel no, na talagang frame drop siya. And medyo noticeable siya, especially na pag tumatakbo ka, mapapansin mo talaga na nagsiskip talaga ng frames si Tower of Fantasy. And medyo mainit siya. Yun na napapansin ko sa kanya sa Genshin Impact on one step lower na graphical settings. Ang nakuha ko na temperatures around 47, no? And ang pagdating naman kay Tower Fantasy, pag sinagad-sagad natin na husto, mapapansin mo na yung kanyang kanyang init umaabot ng 49 degrees Celsius. Kay pagdating naman dito sa the other games na nilaro natin, Firelight, si Mobile Legend, and si Call of Duty Mobile, yung pinakamainit na nakuha natin is around mga 44 degrees Celsius on maximum graphical settings. Now, itong Note 30 VIP is currently selling at $13,999, and I would say that it's really a good device that if you want a good performing camera with a good gaming experience, this is definitely one of the devices na pwede mong i-invest for this coming Christmas. And of course, kung balak nyo i-regalo sa mga kamag-anak mo, kaibigan, I would say na this is definitely one of the devices na you should consider din. Now guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit nyo na rin bell icon para di nyo miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And if you want to know kung saan na pwede mabili ito device na ito, please do check the description box below. I'll see you in the next one.
And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.